Constraints govern the rate at which value is created. So, as soon as you invested in your uplifting your constraint, the constraint will have moved. You must start again. Welcome to the Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. Constraints don't ever disappear. They're a feature of any value system. For example, you might have invested in overcoming an existing production bottleneck, and it therefore may appear that you have capacity to burn. But you want to avoid inertia, as a closer examination of your system will tell you that you're looking in the wrong place. Perhaps there's more market to go after, or as you meet new market demand with your newfound capacity, you begin to get supply-side bottlenecks. Whenever you make the uplift decision, think ahead and ask yourself not only where the next constraint will turn up, but more importantly, is it the optimal place for my business? Remember, the true sense of the words "find the constraint" is grounded in design, not mere happenstance. In other words, all else being equal, where would it be most advantageous for you to place it? Supply, make, the market? In the end, the truth is you only have two choices. Either you manage the constraint or it manages you. Taking the step of starting again provides a loop back to the first of the 5 focusing steps, find the constraint. Then in closing the loop, we find ourselves in a virtuous process of continuous improvement. My course for systems thinkers explores how to think about the use of the 5-step focus as a foundation process of continuous improvement. Taking the right focusing step at the right time will optimize value delivered from constraints and contribute significantly to consistent high-performance results over the long haul. To learn more and experience what I mean, click the link in the comments below.